Assalamualaikum, good morning from Karachi, Pakistan. Hope all my students are doing good. They are watching all my videos till the end and taking the concepts of Edexcel paper 1, paper 2 and S1 because we are recently making these videos. But right now we are here with Edexcel paper 2 exercise 1C question. Okay, so students, this question belongs to factor theorem. Okay, so my dear students, they are asking that we are given provided with this function f of x 4x cube plus 4x square, and part A says use factor theorem to show that x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. Okay, as you see that there is a very minor difference between factor theorem and remainder theorem. Okay, in both we place the value of x into the function. It means that from here, if you overall in generally I am saying that if you place the value of x, suppose it is a, okay, suppose it is a, so in place of this function wherever x is coming you place. It means that in factor theorem, whenever we place a value of x into the function, on the right hand side you will get 0. It means that the given value of x when equated to 0 will be equal to the will be the factor of the given polynomial. I mean that here we place x equal to a. It means that whenever it is equated to 0, it means that minus a goes to the left hand side, x minus a equal to 0. Then this, because the remainder is 0, then x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial f of x. Okay, but in remainder theorem some remainder is left. That is a minor difference between factor and the remainder theorem. So just we will start doing part A. Okay, students, first of all for the factor theorem we will analyze these 3 steps. First of all, find the value of x. Okay, first of all we'll find the value of x. It means that it is x plus 2. X plus 2 you are asked that can it be a factor of the given function f of x or not. So first find the value of x. It means for a value of x, x plus 2 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to minus 2. Okay, first of all this first step is this for factor theorem. And now put this value of x into the given function. Okay, into this given function and see if the remainder is 0. Okay, second part is put the value of x here. In this case x value is minus 2, so place x equal to minus 2 in the given function f of x, that is f of x equals 4x cube plus 4x square. And then see the third step, remainder should be 0. The remainder is 0, then this value of x is a factor of the given function f of x. Okay, so I am just telling you the steps in general. I have told you. Right now I am solving it. Okay, right now you see that this is x and right now I want 4x cube. I will multiply this x with such a number, such a term or such a polynomial that when it is multiplied we get 4x cube. So x, here the coefficient of x is 1 and here we need 4x cube. It means 4. So 4 is already there. I need 4. Also here the x power is 1 and here the power is cube. So we need what is the difference of powers? Here is x1 and here is cube. So power of square difference is 2. So we will take the square power. Okay. Okay, so multiply this 4x square with the whole term x plus 2. Okay, so you get 4x cube plus 4x square multiplied by 2 becomes 8x square. Now we do subtraction. Okay, so sorry dear guys, basically we use this as long division. Okay, we are I'm just rubbing it out. We are using factor theorem, so we will place the value of x directly. No need of long division. I am telling you. Okay, it is mistakenly, by mistake. Okay, so how we will get the remainder 0? First we already have the value of x, that is minus 2. So place in place of x, place -2. When you place -2, it becomes 4 -2 whole cube and plus 4 -2 whole square, then -11. Again in place of x, place -2, and this is -6. Okay, so dear students, you can see here that when I am placing the value of x equal to a, that is x equals -2. Okay, so we get on the right hand side the remainder equal to 0. It means that the value of x is a factor. It means that x equal to -2 is x equal to -2 is a factor of the given function. So we can also say that x -2 equal to 0 is a factor. Okay, whenever it says that factorize completely, part B, it means that you need to convert the cubic equation into linear. One is linear equation and the other is quadratic equation, and furthermore you need to solve this quadratic equation so that we have 3 brackets of linear equation. So this is how we factorize completely of a cubic equation. Okay, so first of all we will make long division, and after the long division we will be having we already have the linear, that is x plus 2, and after division we will get quadratic equation. We will solve quadratic using quadratic formula or direct factorization. We will get 3 brackets of linear, it means linear brackets, linear equation. So this is how we factorize completely. Okay, so quickly I am doing the long division because we need to factorize it. So for factorization we need to split this cubic equation into one linear and one quadratic. So here will be the quotient will be 4x square, it becomes 4x cube plus 8x square. Okay, so plus becomes minus and minus plus becomes minus. Sign are reversed for the subtraction. This first term is cancelled out because same magnitude with opposite sign, plus and minus, and this becomes plus 4 and minus 8 becomes minus 4x square minus 11x. Okay, so here you will get minus 4x. So when minus 4x will be multiplied, and minus 4x will be multiplied with this whole x plus 2, you will get minus 4x square minus 8x. Okay, this becomes cancel out and this becomes minus 3x, and this 6 you will write downward, this is minus 6. Okay, right now you will have minus 3, that is minus 3x. Generally if you see that this is dividend, this is dividend, this is divisor, this one is divisor, and this one is the quotient. Okay, this one is the quotient. So basically I am changing the cubic equation into linear and quadratic, the product of linear and quadratic. So how we say that divisor equals we say in general that divisor is always equal to the product of quotient multiply by, this is the dividend, so I am mistaking again, dividend means this cubic equation. Dividend is equal to the product of quotient multiply by divisor. Okay, mind it, quotient multiply by divisor means that, in other words, cubic equation is equal to the product of linear and quadratic equation. Okay, so it means that quotient is 4x square. Quotient is 4x square minus 4x minus 3 and divisor x plus 2. As we know that in part B we need complete factorization, so it means that we also have to factorize this quadratic equation. Okay, mind it. And also that this quadratic equation cannot be factorized directly using middle term break or method like that, so we will use the quadratic formula, that is x minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, after solving the quadratic equation 4x square minus 4x minus 3 using formula, this quadratic formula, we get the value x equal to 4 plus minus 8 divided by 8. Okay, so just how we get the values of x equal to 4 plus 8 upon 2 and x equal to 4 minus 8 upon 2. Okay, so this will be 12 upon 2. Okay, so after solving this we have the two values of x. One is x 3 upon 2 and the other is x minus half using the quadratic formula. It means that x minus 3 upon 2 equals 0, and here x plus half equals 0. So write both of these two brackets. Okay, so the solution is first bracket is x minus 3 upon 2. For this quadratic we have two brackets, x minus 3 by 2 and x plus half multiplied by x plus half, and the last bracket is x plus 2. So these are in multiplication. Okay, so this is the complete factorization. And part C says that what will be the solution. So all values of x, it means find all values of x. So one is 3 upon 2 x and the other is x minus half, and from this x plus 2. And for the third value of x, from here it is x equal to minus 2. So this is for part C, this is the one solution, x equal to minus 2, x equal to 3 upon 2 is the second solution, and x equal to minus half is the third solution. This is all from my side. Hope you all get my solution. Like, share and comment on my channel. Thank you.